right, hello everybody. Here we are in front of our front door, about to get ready to change our entry door to a Dutch door. My wife has always wanted a Dutch door for the dog, so we bought one from Barnes Mastercrafted. They're up in Oregon. Go ahead and show you how that package arrived and what that looks like. We ordered it on Tuesday and it came within 48 hours. The package is up nice and clean, and we're going to go ahead and show you how we are going to install this and unpackage it and get going for the day. A few tools you might need for this project. Now we're taking out the full door jamb because we got a pre-hung door. So in this situation we have exterior stucco, so we need to use a grinder to make a clean cut around the stucco molding. A reciprocating saw to cut that door jamb in pieces so that it's easy to take out with a hammer or crowbar. Now if you don't have an exterior stucco, you might be able just to get away with removing the exterior molding and a few screws in the door jamb, and it might pop right out. A drill and 3-inch exterior screws. You might find that 2 or 2.5 might work for you as well. It just depends on how close the door jamb is to the 2x4s when you put it in. And a level to make sure the door is level so that you don't have any issues opening and closing the door. Make sure that you have the same spacing around the door jamb and 2x4. Some shims might help in that process as well. Here is the Dutch door installed. There's a couple things that we still need to do, like put some foam around the perimeter of it and a new outdoor molding. But if you can see, it is pretty much complete. It took us about 2 to 3 hours to get the door installed. Thank you so much to Barnes Mastercrafted Doors for the beautiful Dutch door, and keep watching us for more home improvement projects.